welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today with my cousin and I'm gonna be doing slime and she's doing slime too. And maybe this is gonna be pausing. I'm sorry I didn't. It's not my fault. It's my phone fault. It keeps gonna keep pausing and I'm gonna keep doing it. Okay.
To help you?
So I'm gonna just no thank
To help you?
No.
Oh.
No.
Then don't ask me for help.
You're so confused. You open it.
Y así para que salga con todo el stretch.
See, told you I don't need no help. So this is.
I'm gonna take that off.
It has something. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like from the back. So it has. Oops. This is how it looks like from here. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this one.
Can we see this? It's like
No.
a paper, like a direction.
And then I got this one.
We can put
And then
it
I got
in.
this one.
Oh, it's telling you how to make
I
slime.
know. I know. What is this? I don't even know.
So you have to glue assist. Then you
I
have
know,
some
I
of that,
know, I
then you mix.
know.
Girl, come down, come down, come down. Who's that?
Who's in? I want to see if you need to open it. Yes. You have to be careful.
Does it stays back?
Almost. I almost. There.
It doesn't have glue.
Lo que es la que gente que nunca compra pestronera. Apaga el aire del cuarto porque yo tengo frío.
Go, Yandy.
Sí, para
Okay,
ti,
so
para
I'm
mí sí tengo
adding.
frío. No he venido esta.
I'm rolling it.
I'm like this.
Add a little bit now. Because I don't want to add like a lot. Because what about if it doesn't work?
First of all,
That
she's
one.
gonna try it. Add some to mine.
It's nighttime, guys. That's why I'm not doing outside.
Yeah, we would do. Yes, we probably make a mess from something with this one. I'm like, can I mix it?
Yes, and then she has this. These are my spoons. That one is mine too. So
Yeah.
then we're gonna mix.
You know that glue's
Ooh.
already mixed.
I know. I know.
I like to make
What is
it.
this? I just want to know what is this.
What?
I'm gonna use yellow.
Oh,
I'm
and
gonna use purple.
no, first of all, you need to do the slime and then you can add those.
Oh. I'll do the
We're gonna both do the same thing.
conditioner. It's so small. The conditioner.
Yeah, it's like water.
Okay. I don't know if I added too much.
I'm like,
I don't know. It doesn't say.
well,
you
mine
can-
is already coming together.
I don't know if it says. Oh, mine too is so easy to make. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh no, I got everything.
It's like clear slime.
It's clear. It is. What you thought it was?
slime.
So why are you saying that? This is how. Okay, now I
Well,
really need
I
to
want to
connect.
touch it. It feels weird, but
It's not sticky, guys. Oh my god.
like it's not sticky and then
Okay, I need
you
scissors.
still need to mix it like a little bit more.
I don't.
Well, I don't, but I can do it.
Like, it's like if you're.
Oh my gosh, it's pretty good.